Up at Verona, just a track rental day. See if we can get this launch control to work. I'm going to play with it, see if I can get it to do its thing. Haven't been able to get it to work yet. Gary says he got his working, but he can't get the line lock to work. I have no problem with the line lock. I can't get I don't use it all the time, but I don't have any problem engaging the line lock. I'm old school. I'm just so used to foot breaking it. Okay, I'm going to try to do the launch control this time. Starting launch control. I'm going to activate my line lock and then activate my launch control. The batteries ran out, but I did two in a row. So I think I got this thing down. I can use the launch control, unlike the 0 to 60 foot time and some other features that don't work worth a darn. I think this one is gonna work now. Let's give it a try. See if I can get it on video. Air pressure might be a little high. I got 17 pounds in my tires, which is a couple pounds more than I usually run. And I'm taking off at 1800 RPM versus the 1500 I did twice the last time. Well, this was with the activated line launch control activated. So we might have to lower the pressure if I don't 60 foot as well. I'm waiting for the car to get off the pass. Activate line lock. Okay, enough pressure, hold the OK button, release brake, go. Spinning out. Okay, a little dry hop to check it. Feels good. I'm gonna come up here, hit activate launch control, 1700, okay. Make sure I'm in the groove, make sure tires are straight. Looking at my pre-stage. Staging, come on, pre-stage. Pre-stage, stage. Ah, yeah! I got it down. I can take off. Now I just got to get used to, the time. It launches different when you're letting off the brake with the gas already floored. So I got to get that brake release timed right with the last amber light that comes on. Always take off on the last amber light. Don't wait for the green light, or your reaction time will be too low. Reaction time only counts if you're racing somebody. This is just a test and tune day. This is a track rental day. Nobody's racing each other, although you can if you want. I am one of the slowest cars out here, believe it or not. I'm only faster than actually a Demon. I consistently beat his time. Although we're mile an houring the same, I'm just hooking up better for some reason. I'm gonna go around, do this one more time. That way I've got 2 runs at 1700. Let's do it. Pulling up, pre-staging. Red lit that time. Okay, the activating the launch control has been doing good for me. I've done 4 in a row. I think I've got it down. Track, chiller, camera on, window up. I got launch at 1800 this time. 17 in the tires, 17 pounds. Watching Gary. There he goes. 1.47. 6.7 at 106. Spun out of the hole, Gary walked me. The right side of the track, nobody's been running today. Let's do 1600, right between 15 and 17. It's been a fun day learning this launch control. I've been hitting it, except for the very first time, I've been hitting it consistently, making it work. I think it makes the car more consistent. It's not necessarily giving me better times, just more consistent.